Alright, MK5Mod0 here, and today, this is a how-to video. I'm going to show you how to get into one of these wall adapters. I'm going to show you how to harvest the copper if you're into recycling like me. Now, I've never opened one of these up, so when I open this up, it'll be a treat for both you and me. This should be interesting. And, you know what, I'll get to that when I get to that. But anyway, let's focus on these right now. The way you open these up is either hit this plastic part with a hammer or whack it on the sidewalk like I usually do, and I'll just break them straight open like eggs. And well, let's go do that and I'll continue. I just remembered something, and the way I'm going to open this up is I'm going to drill these two rivets out on the top and on the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to open those up, and then we'll open this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry if the camera moves now, because this tripod's garbage. I'm using the old one again. But, let's just start off with a bit of smashing. Wants to try to get away from me. There we go. Got that one open. And I smashed the coil while doing it. Just great. Okay, well, that one's going to be a beast to tear apart now. Here, let me adjust my camera, and then I'll smash the other one on the ground. Okay guys, one almost broken camera later, but I got him open. Almost not.
I don't know what made me walk up there at that perfect time.
Anyway, I'll head out to the garage now. Show you a couple different ways to open them up, and then we'll take one apart. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm in the garage, and first off, method one, just put the transformer in lacquer thinner. Now that's one I had sitting from last night because it's a 24-hour process, and that's the one I'm going to mess with first. So, what we're going to do is just pop the lid off, and since this is really old lacquer thinner, I don't want to touch it, even with my gloves, because my gloves will probably melt. And just let it drip off a little bit, and I'll show you how to get the lacquer thinner off in a second. Okay, now outside, now I'm going to show you how to get the lacquer thinner off the transformer.
I don't know what I do.
Just light it on fire.
It doesn't take much. Yeah, it's okay. We'll show you some of his YouTube videos.
There we go. All the lacquer thinner is gone, and all the lacquer should be gone. Just gonna put it up there on the step, and now we'll get to work on the rest of them. Safety squinting gauge. Tighten her up a little. There we go. Contact. Okay guys, we got her open now. Tell she's popping apart at the seams. See if I can get it open. Ah, it won't come undone. What have I done? There we go. There we go. That one's done. Next one, I don't even know if I'm gonna bother doing it. It would be cutting this in half with a hacksaw. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Sorry about that. And engaged. We're gonna go ahead and install it now. Now, I used to be able to turn this thing, but it won't turn anymore. But, I think we'll still be able to, get sawed in half even without it turned. Okay guys, I am sorry. It's just too hot in here to be doing this. I might bring you a part 2 of this in the winter, but as far as I'm concerned, it's too hot in here for this. So, let's just do this the easy way. And just leave that in there for 24 hours. So I'm now going to go inside, open the transformers up. Be right back. Anyway, back inside now, and we're going to try to get this transformer open. This is gonna take forever, cause the lacquer thinner didn't do its job well. Oh, jeez. So I was inside getting sick of tearing this thing apart, so I came out here and smashed it on the sidewalk. Wish I was recording. There's not many left, and it exploded everywhere. They're in the grass, they're on the sidewalk, they're in front of me. So now I got a giant mess to clean up. I'll be back with you in a little bit. Okay guys, about 20 minutes of work later. Down to the bare copper windings. Now we just gotta get all that copper off, and I'll show you how to in a sec. Now I have my friend holding the transformer winding. I'm just gonna pull the copper and wrap it around my hand. And wrap it loosely so you can get it off. I've had to cut stuff off of me because I wrapped it too tight. I'm not gonna get into no details.
Why are you wrapping it around your hand?
Because
why don't you just hold the string and just run around the house?
I've done that before. And you know that was a giant mess to clean up.
Might be his dog.
We're into a small issue already. Just an easy one. I'm to hold on to the glove that I'm wearing. So far this is going quite well. So the lacquer remover did work for getting all. Well guys, some fun stuff can just happened. Assistant, do you want to explain what happened?
You sprayed it with, what, disinfectant spray?
Yeah, I sprayed with disinfectant spray because he can't handle the smell from the lacquer thinner.
And it started to sizzle and get hot.
So,
There's bleach.
well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about this mysterious lighting. Crappy bulbs, and not normal sunlight. Anyway, this video is ending early because, when it started sizzling, my assistant freaked out and dumped water on it, so now it's soaking wet. So now I gotta wait for it to dry. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see all of you in the next video. Bye, guys.